Grow more trees. Nature has given ample products, but we seldom take note of it. It gives us immense benefits, but we have no time to stand and stare. We trample nature by destroying it. From the past, so many years, trees are associated with life. They give us so many products which help to make our life better. Forests have large number of trees. These trees provide us with many products which helps us to make our life easier. Wood. Trees provide us with wood. Wood is used for making furniture. It is also used for construction purposes. Wood is also used to make things like pencils, chairs, tables, doors, window, etc. Food material. Trees provide us with fruits and so many other food products. Habitat for other organisms. Many animals, like squirrels, make their home in tree trunk. Many birds make their nest on the trees. Helps in rainfall. Trees absorb water from roots and lose the excess water in atmosphere in the form of water vapors. These water vapors condense to form clouds and give us rain. Gaseous exchange. Trees help us in gaseous exchange. Trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Thus, man needs oxygen gas, which he gets from plants. There are so many other ways in which forests are useful to us. Hence, it is not advisable to cut the trees unnecessarily. Hence, attempts should be made to plant more and more trees, which can increase the wildlife, give us more food products, and purify the air through gaseous exchange. Thus, we should altogether pledge to grow more trees.